Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram keeps stopping problem on Samsung and Android device. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Play Store and you want to search for Instagram and you want to check if your Instagram app needs updating. If it needs updating, you will simply tap on update. After you have done that, you will close out of Play Store and go into settings. And once in settings, you are going to scroll down until you see apps. And in apps, you are going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and type in Instagram. After you have selected Instagram, you are going to tap on storage as you want to clear cache and clear the data. And after you have cleared the cache and cleared the data, you are going to close out of settings and you will go back into the Instagram app and the problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.